Hi, good morning, students. I know that you're already in front of your laptop to see or to understand the concept of rhythm and matter and in poetry. Yeah, let's take a look and start with the definition. Yeah. So as you can read in your slide, yeah, rhythm refers to overall tempo or pace at which the poem unfolds. So rhythm is the tempo. Yeah. Matter, maybe you know the word thermometer, barometer. Meter usually deal with measurement. Yeah. But of course in poetry the measurement does not use the unit of measurement like meter or kilometer, yeah, or other, but it use a certain kind of unit of measurement. The definition of meta here is the measure beat established by patterns of stress and unstressed syllables. So we know that English language containing words that is stressed or unstressed. Yeah. Some other people also mention or term it as accented and unaccented, other than stress and unstressed. Yeah. So meter is the kind of rhythm we can tap our foot to. So usually like when you are singing, you're tapping your foot. Yeah. So it's actually a meter in a poetry. Yeah. In language that is metrical, the accents are so arranged as to occur at apparently equal intervals of time. So meter and rhythm is actually one resource that a poet use, yeah, to express the experience he wants to express. In verse or prose, the movement or sense of movement communicated by the arrangement of stress or accented and unstressed or unaccented syllables and by the duration of the syllables. Let's take a look at the example of accented or stressed syllables. You see, today, yeah, tomorrow, yesterday, yeah, and daily, and also intervene, yeah. Like he went to the store, yeah. It's also accented. You can hear which part is accented or which part is stressed, yeah. There is one more. Jack is driving his car. Means that it is Jack, yeah, not Donna, is driving. Driving means that doing the action, yeah, driving, not other action. And his car, not his bike. That's why the word Jack and driving and car is accented or given more stress. Yeah. There are two kinds of rhythm, falling and rising. The falling usually begin with stress and ends with unstressed, while the rising begin with unstressed and ends with stressed. Yeah? I would like to talk about the unit of measurement. So to measure something, we must have a unit of measurement, as what I mentioned before. Like when you are want to say the length of something, you probably have centimeter or meter. Yeah. For measuring, first we use it called foot. Yeah, and then line, and the last one stanza. I believe you are very familiar with the second and the third. But for the first one, let's take a look what you haven't know, and this definition later will help you to understand that. Yeah, foot. The basic metrical unit, the foot, consists of one accented syllable plus one or two unaccented syllables. Ya. Jadi one stressed syllable plus one atau two unstressed syllables itu normal, ya. Kemudian ada juga no unstressed syllable, itu agak jarang. Kemudian atau three syllables yang tidak accented, ya, itu sangat jarang, ya. In this video, I'm gonna have this symbol just like in the book, like Perrin used in the Perrin's book. He also used this symbol, yeah, to mention or to show to the reader that it is stressed or accented syllable. I will use this long bar, yeah, and then to show unstressed and an accented syllables, yeah, I'm going to use this little curve like this. Okay. Let's take a look the basic kinds of food. You see here the example, yeah, today. So you stress on the word day, yeah, not today, but today, yeah. You stress on the word day. When you have this kind of pattern, yeah, you call it an iamb, yeah. When an iamb mean, what is it? When there are more than one iamb, yeah, so you call it a meta. It is iambic, yeah. And then also there is daily. When daily, you give stress at the front. It is trochee. And then the meta means trochaic, yeah. And then when you have intervene, yeah, intervene. So unstressed, unstressed, stress, you have one food called anapes, and then the meta called anapestic. And then you also have yesterday, yeah. So you have stress, unstressed, unstressed. You have dactyl. The name of the matter is dactylic. And then you also have true blue, means that the two words are stressed equally. You have spondy, and the name of the matter is spondic. And there is also monosyllabic food like day. It contains only one syllable. Yeah. Um, so this is actually the other example for iamb, trochee, anapes, dactyl, and spondy. Yeah, you can take a look later by yourself to see what are the other examples. And this is also the other example of meta. For example, iambic meter. Yeah, iambic meter, you have more than one iamb. It's called iambic. Yeah. And trochee, you have more than one trochee. It's called trochaic. Yeah. And anapestic, you have more than one anapes. Dactylic, you have more than one dactyl. Spondy, and so on. Yeah. Let's take a look at the line, the second unit measurement. Yeah. Line atau baris, ya, is measured by naming the number of feet in it. For example, you call monometer. It means that the line or the baris or the kalimat, yeah, if you say it, the line, but it's not always a kalimat actually. Just say line, yeah. Line monometer, it contains 1 foot, and then dimeter, it contains 2 feet, yeah. Trimeter means the line contains 3 feet. Tetrameter, the line contains 4 feet. And you can see the rest. Pentameter, 5 feet. Hexameter, 6 feet. Heptameter, 7 feet. Octameter, 8 feet. Yeah. So you see this is an example. For do must die. You see this bar here? Yeah. Sorry, I was clicking that. You see this bar here? This bar is imaginary bar, means that this is only the bar that is used so that you know one separate foot to the other. Yeah. For do must die. So take a look at this one. For thou must die. For is unaccented because it is less important, and thou is stressed because this is the more important one. Must die. Yeah. Comparing to the environment, must die. Yeah. Must is less important than die here in terms of the meaning. Yeah. So that's why it have iamb, 2 iamb. Because it has 2 iamb, this line called iambic dimeter. You understand? The other example, for example, like seasoned timber never gives up. Yeah. It also iamb, iamb, and then another iamb, and another iamb, and another iamb. You have 4 iamb. Means that this line could be named as iambic tetrameter. Means that the line containing 4 feet and all the feet are iamb. Or iamb are dominating the feet. Yeah. Okay. Stanza. Stanza consists of a group of lines whose metrical pattern is repeated throughout the poem. I think you know stanza, yeah? The types of stanza, ada yang disebut dengan couplet. Ya. A couplet consists of two rhyming lines having the same meter. So this is the example of couplet. Ada juga yang disebut dengan tercet. A tercet consists of three rhyming lines having the same meter. Ini tercet. Ya. You see the Eagle by Alfred Lord Tennyson. Ada juga yang disebut dengan quatrain. A quatrain consists of four rhyming lines having the same meter. You know Richard Cory. Yeah, Richard Cory is a quatrain. And quintet. A quintet consists of five rhyming lines having the same meter. The row not taken is quintet. Yeah, all five lines stanzas and all the stanza having the same meter. Yeah.